Over 5,000 folk and tribal artists showcased 45 traditional dance forms across Kartavya Path during which Republic Day celebration. Correct answer is 76th Republic Day. Over 5,000 folk and tribal artists showcased 45 traditional dance forms across Kartavya Path during the 76th Republic Day celebrations. The 11-minute cultural performance, curated by Sangeet Natak Academy, honored the legacy of Bhagwan Birsa Munda and embraced themes like Viksit Bharat and Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat. Which temple recently secured the FCRA license to accept foreign donations? A. Banke Bihari Temple. B. Golden Temple. C. Somnath Temple. D. Vaishno Devi Temple. Correct answer is Banke Bihari Temple. The Banke Bihari Temple in Vrindavan has received a license under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010 from the Union Home Ministry. This allows the temple to accept foreign donations based on an application by the court-appointed management committee and subsequent approval. How many bird species were spotted during the 3rd Sundarban Bird Festival? A. 154. B. 120. C. 180. D. 200. Correct answer is 154. About 154 species of birds were spotted during the 3rd Sundarban Bird Festival. It is an event that records the bird species in the Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. The festival is organized by the Sundarban Tiger Reserve, STR, division of the West Bengal Forest Department. Which state topped the Fiscal Health Index by Niti Aayog? A. Odisha. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Odisha. Odisha has achieved the top rank in fiscal health for FY 2022-23 as per Niti Aayog's Fiscal Health Index. With a score of 67.8, it excels in debt management and sustainability. The state's commendable fiscal discipline is highlighted by effective revenue mobilization and significant investment in social sectors like health and education. Which therapy has India approved as the second CAR T-cell therapy for treating blood cancer? A. Kartemi. B. Kymriah. C. Carvykti. D. Yescarta. Correct answer is Kartemi. Immunil Therapeutics, co-founded by Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, has introduced Kartemi, India's second CAR T-cell therapy, to treat B-cell non-Hodgkin lymphoma. This therapy is priced at a fraction of similar treatments in the West and offers a new option for aggressive blood cancers. Which two Indian cities became the first to join the global list of wetland-accredited cities? A. Indore and Udaipur. B. Delhi and Mumbai. C. Bangalore and Chennai. D. Jaipur and Hyderabad. Correct answer is Indore and Udaipur. Indore and Udaipur have become the first Indian cities to gain international recognition as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention, an intergovernmental treaty focused on wetland conservation. Although Bhopal was also nominated, it missed out due to ecological concerns. Currently, 85 Indian wetlands are protected under this treaty, which includes 172 member countries globally. Which state became the first in India to implement the Uniform Civil Code? A. Uttarakhand. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Haryana. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand became the first Indian state to adopt the Uniform Civil Code on 27 January 2025, as announced by Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. This landmark reform standardized laws related to marriage, divorce, inheritance, and succession, promoting equality across gender and religion, excluding scheduled tribes. Who was crowned ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? A. Smriti Mandhana. B. Mithali Raj. C. Harmanpreet Kaur. D. Deepti Sharma. Correct answer is Smriti Mandhana. India opener Smriti Mandhana was crowned ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024, amassing 747 runs in just 13 innings. The India vice-captain averaged 57.86 with a strike rate of 95.15, scoring 4 centuries to set a new career high in ODIs. Which team was crowned as the inaugural champions of the Women's Hockey India League? A. Odisha Warriors. B. Mumbai Mavericks. C. Bangalore Tigers. D. Delhi Daredevils. Correct answer is Odisha Warriors. Odisha Warriors have been crowned as the inaugural champions of the Women's Hockey India League on Sunday, 26 January. The Warriors secured the title with a 2-1 win over Surma Hockey Club in the final. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.